DJI Matrice 400, a new benchmark in industrial drone innovation. The DJI Matrice 400 is the latest powerhouse in DJI's enterprise drone lineup, engineered to meet the demands of complex industrial, public safety, mapping, and surveying missions. With cutting-edge technology, extreme durability, and unmatched adaptability, the Matrice 400 stands as a versatile platform ready to redefine aerial operations. Exceptional performance and payload capacity. At the core of the Matrice 400's excellence lies its robust airframe and generous payload capacity. The drone boasts a maximum takeoff weight of 15.8 kilograms and supports payloads up to 6 kilograms, allowing it to carry advanced sensors like the ZenMuse H30T, P1 L2, or even third-party payloads via DJI Z-Port V2 and Skyport adapters. Whether it's LiDAR scanning, multispectral analysis, or real-time thermal imaging, the Matrice 400 delivers. Its powerful propulsion system provides a maximum ascent speed of 10 meters per second, horizontal speed of 25 meters per second, and an operational altitude limit of 7,000 m, making it reliable in challenging environments, from coastal inspections to high-altitude construction sites. Impressive flight endurance and range. One of the most notable features is its extended flight time of up to 59 minutes, with no wind and minimal payload, and a maximum flight range of 49 kilometers. It uses the TB100 Intelligent Flight Battery, a 977 Wh capacity unit designed for high power and longevity. The BS100 battery station supports fast charging, enabling a 0 to 100% charge in just 45 minutes, on 220V fast charge mode, essential for operations requiring quick turnaround times. Next-level obstacle avoidance and precision navigation. The Matrice 400 is equipped with a multi-directional obstacle avoidance system, combining dual vision sensors, LiDAR, millimeter-wave radar, and infrared sensors to ensure comprehensive situational awareness in all directions. The integration of RTK positioning technology offers centimeter-level precision vital for surveying, mapping, and automated inspections. This drone supports multiple GNSS constellations, GPS, Beidou, Galileo, and GLONASS*, and features ADS-B and receivers for enhanced airspace safety, allowing it to detect and respond to nearby manned aircraft. Enterprise-grade communication and control. Featuring the new DJI-O4 Enterprise Enhanced Video Transmission System, the Matrice 400 offers up to 40 kilometers of transmission distance under FCC conditions and supports 3-channel 1080p/30fps live feeds. Paired with the DJI RC Plus 2 controller, operators enjoy a 7.02-inch ultra-bright display, 1400 nits, dual control capability, and robust connectivity via Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5, 2, HDMI, and 4G modules. Its Android 11-based interface is highly customizable, making it adaptable to a variety of enterprise workflows through third-party apps or DJI's SDK ecosystem. Rugged, all-weather design. With an IP55 rated body, the Matrice 400 is designed for harsh environments, from -20 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius operating temperatures. Its durable build and foldable design, folded size, 490 by 490 by 480 mm, ensure it's portable and field-ready. The built-in beacon, high-visibility status LEDs, and redundant systems further enhance operational safety. Modular and compatible ecosystem. The Matrice 400 supports a variety of payloads and accessories including ZenMuse H30/H30T/P1/L2 cameras, ZenMuse S1 Spotlight, ZenMuse V1 speaker, DRTK3 station and Manifold 3 onboard computer, DJI Export, ePort V2, Skyport V3 adapter kits. These options make it suitable for applications ranging from infrastructure inspection, precision agriculture, search and rescue, to mapping and surveying. Conclusion: a drone that means business. The DJI Matrice 400 is not just a drone, it's a complete aerial platform for serious professionals. With its high payload capacity, extended flight endurance, cutting-edge navigation, and modular architecture, it sets a new standard for industrial and enterprise-grade UAVs. For businesses and government agencies that require precision, reliability, and expandability in aerial operations, the DJI Matrice 400 is the future-ready solution.